Welcome to video 14 of the Search for Better Health series. In this video, we're going to be looking at plant pathogens, the different types that there are, and then in class, we're going to perform an investigation to examine some of these pathogens and pests. So in this video, we're just going to be looking at the different diseases that plants might have, and then this is going to connect to our next video, which is looking at why it's important that we have strict measures to ensure that plants don't carry any of these diseases or insects. So pathogens that cause diseases in plants are viruses, bacteria, fungi, and nematodes. And then there's also insect pests that can cause disease, and these include mites, aphids, scale insects, and caterpillars of moths and butterflies. Three examples which we might see in terms of the effect it has on a plant. So we see blight, which is a disease that causes the death of plant tissues, gall, which are growths or swellings caused by the invasions of pathogens, and then we might see the mosaic, which is the variation in the colour of leaves, usually causing light and dark green patches. In terms of diseases that are caused by pathogens, if we look at fungi, there are over 10,000 different types of fungi that are capable of causing diseases in plants. And some of the diseases that fungi cause include rust, wood rot, powdery mildews, downy mildews, petal blights, and black spots. In terms of viral causes of disease, they can be characterized by color changes and patterning of the leaf, which is the mosaics we just mentioned. Malformations of the leaves, stem, flowers, and fruit can be an indication of a virus infection. Bacterial infections are also cause diseases in plants, and these are characterized by spots of leaves and stems, soft rot, scales, and wilts. And then nematodes can cause small lumps on the leaves, leaf distortion, and scorches or blotches on the leaf. If we look at now some insect pests that can cause disease, we've got 4 examples here. So we've got lace bugs, and they inhabit the underside of the leaves and suck out the sap, causing the leaves to turn speckled brown. And so the sap is that the sugars that they're producing. There's 2 spotted moths, where the leaves turn a dull green with pale mottling. This then causes the leaves to turn yellow, and the webbing spun by the mites become visible. Aphids, these are sap-sucking insects which infest the plants and then cause the growth of the plants to be stunted, because obviously the plants are making their own food, so every time that sap is sucked out, it causes the plant to stop its growth. The leaves will wilt and the buds will drop. And then we have leaf miners, which are the larvae of moth, and they burrow between the upper and lower leaf surface of young leaves, which can cause the leaves to become twisted. So it was a short video. That's video 14. Make sure you tune in for video 15 and make sure you're in class to visualize some of these either pathogens or insect pests that we might see on some of the plants around our school and some that we might have at home.